Welcome again in class 9th geography classes, digital classes. This is globe. दिख रहा है ना? It is model of earth. It's contain to all topography of the earth. Means these are various geographical features across the world like water bodies such as ocean, sea, lakes, river basin, and also landscapes feature such as planet, mountain, continents, desert, etc. What is continent? The physical landmass of the world. The planet Earth is divided into 7 continents of Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Asia, and Antarctica. Asia is largest continent in the world with 29% of world land mass, and Australia is smallest with 5.9% of land mass of the world. At this way, this is a shape of our earth. Here in middle a dark line segment showing these are divide to our earth in the direction of north and south. It's known as equator. It's known as equator. Our India is also situated on this globe. This is in part of north east. देखिए इधर नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया and just in south of India a lot amount of water covered here. It's known as Indian Ocean. On behalf of the name of India, due to a long coastlines covered area of the India here. So these known as Indian Oceans. In reference of India, India contract through the land route are much old those through the sea as people were afraid of travel by sea. देखिए जैसा कि दिख रहा है ऊपर से मीन्स नॉर्थ और वेस्ट साइड में, नॉर्थ और ईस्ट साइड में ये हमारा भारत जो है वह लैंड से एकदम बिल्कुल कनेक्ट है. इन एंशियंट टाइम में लोग डरते थे कि हम ओशन में कैसे जाएंगे, क्योंकि उस समय कोई शिप वगैरह की व्यवस्था तो थी नहीं. ओनली बोट यूज्ड फॉर द सी रूट. सो these are very significant position of the India for the trade and commerce also. The land route were through of the mountain passes. ऊपर हमारा नॉर्थ हिमालय और हिमालय रेंज है, उससे हमारे कवर करता है, बाउंड्रीज तैयार करता है. लेकिन उसको पास करके उसमें कुछ प्रोसेस होते हैं, उन प्रोसेस के माध्यम से हम एक आगे उधर निकलने का हमारे पास चांसेस होता है, और वो हमारा कहीं न कहीं लैंड रूट डिसाइड करता है. In ancient travelers exchanged ideas and commodities as they moved through these routes. The passage or land route helps in the trade and commerce in ancient period. One route also specified in ancient period you read in class 6, Silk Route. These route passes from the India to European country also. Then these are important in trade and commerce in ancient period. The ideas of the Upanishad, Ramayana, story of Panchatantra written by the Vishnugupta, Indian numerals and decimal systems spread to many parts of the world. India has different ideology from the ancient period, like philosophy of life, philosophy of mathematics, zero, decimal. These are gifted to the world by the India, and similarly influence of the Greek sculpture, architectural style of domes and the monuments of West Asia can be seen in India. भारत में हम ग्रीक या फिर उनके उधर और जो मेसोपोटामिया, मिस्र, ये जो सिविलाइजेशंस हैं इनसे भी हमने बहुत कुछ इनको दिया है, और इनसे हमने लिया है, जो कि हमें इसी रूट के माध्यम से हमारे मदद करते हैं. हमारे इंडिया में वाटर बॉडीज़ भी कंटेन हैं, चारों तरफ फैली हुई हैं, आप देख रहे हैं. नॉर्थ को छोड़ दीजिए तो लगभग सभी तरफ से हमारे तरफ वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं. आप देखिए इधर तो बे ऑफ बंगाल, गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ, गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार एंड गल्फ ऑफ खंभात और कॉम्बे है. नेक्स्ट साइड में अरेबियन सी, लक्षद्वीप सी, अंडमान सी and Indian Oceans in south of the India also found. In next digital class, explain the neighbor of the India or neighbors country of the India and others significance.